Moms know that when it comes to our kids, a lot can happen in just seconds. Hi, I'm Kim. Let's take a closer look at our soon-to-be best friend, the BabySense Baby Video Monitor. This premium monitor was designed to give you peace of mind as you juggle everyday activities while watching your little one as he sleeps in his own room. You can watch your baby from anywhere in your house, thanks to the monitor's ultra-long range of up to 960 feet in open space. The vivid 3.5-inch high-definition LCD color video screen and interchangeable wide-angle lens gives you a clearer and wider viewing area. The digital zoom with image navigation function ensures that you don't miss a thing. Plus, the cutting-edge auto-infrared night vision and night light feature allows you to see what's going on with your baby day and night. There's even room temperature monitoring to let you know if the room gets too hot or too cold. The two-way talkback communication technology lets you calm, comfort, and sing to your baby. Or you can use the built-in lullabies or white noise sound to soothe your little one to sleep. Perfect. When it comes to baby monitors, you cannot afford to settle for all those cheaply made monitors anymore, or those that rely on the internet connection. With BabySense's state-of-the-art technology, you get undisrupted, stable connection 24/7 with crystal clear audio and video. BabySense monitors are 100% safe from hacking because they don't use Wi-Fi or the internet. BabySense uses enhanced encrypted technology, ensuring you're the only one watching and listening to your baby. Pair up to 4 cameras to one parent unit to monitor several kids in different rooms. Available in 2 models with 1 or 2 cameras. BabySense monitors are made by a medically certified company, a leader in health monitoring since 1991. When it comes to your baby's security, it makes sense to choose a name trusted globally, BabySense.
Everyone could use a little more sleep. That's why we created Hatch Baby Rest, a nightlight and sound machine controlled by your phone. Rest is designed using the latest scientific research, with hues that promote healthy circadian rhythms, and white noise proven to aid sleep. Fully customizable and programmable to your child's sleep schedule, Rest will grow with you from bassinet to big girl bed, from midnight feeding sessions with your baby to okay to wake for your toddler. Play with patterns and interchangeable designs to match your nursery. Hatch Baby Rest is reinventing bedtime to help get your family on a healthy sleep schedule. Here's to more restful nights. Meet the Hatch Baby family. Grow, listen, rest.
The new Baby Brezza one-step formula mixer is the easiest way to make a day's worth of formula. It's the first motorized formula mixing pitcher, so you can operate it hands-free. It's easy to use. Simply press the button and the wand mixes formula quickly without air bubbles or clumping, and avoids the time and hassle of other formula mixers that must be cranked manually with 2 hands. The formula mixer works with all formulas, mixes up to 28 ounces at a time, and features a no-splash spout that pours neatly into narrow or wide bottles. It's easy to clean with only 3 parts. And once your baby outgrows formula, use it to mix shakes, chocolate milk, and other drinks. Save time making a day's worth of formula with the Baby Brezza one-step formula mixer.
And it's awesome. Glow is a color-changing interactive light with 3 portable glow balls that can be removed and used as night lights or for a late-night game of catch. The glow balls have no electronics in them and do not heat up, so they're cool to the touch and won't break if dropped. They hold their glow for up to 30 minutes, which is plenty of time to keep scary monsters away while falling asleep. Have a favorite color you want to light the room up with? Glow's LED base comes with a lever that allows you to select any color in the spectrum by simply sliding it. And if you're having a hard time picking just one, you can set Glow to rotate through all of its colors, creating an instant light show in your bedroom.